SBET stock analysis and price predictions. This is for Monday. Is Sharplink's gaming stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Just looking at SBET, it's in its correction phase, which honestly, I don't think, bro, I'm just looking to buy more. But how I'm going to do so, I'm going to tell you right now. Now, having done well over 43,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's printing and making me money and what's not. So I've seen what's working for me, and not only that, I've documented everything. You know, like I first began buying here, you know, I was quite excited about that with SBET, because at that point the video was like me when this was like 32 bucks, and then we ran to like 120, so it was like a 4x. That's a 300% increase in price some month ago.
It's Thursday,
and after that we've kind of crashed, but this has been kind of proving otherwise. You know, pre-market is even higher here, but again, it's all going to come down to the point where I only want a sick double break, and if I don't get that, then it's cool. So let me know what is your opinion. If you want to get my money making emails and insights to get to those 10k months, click the first link in the description. It's free.